Evercity platform is a digital platform for impact measurement, management, and investment. One of its use cases allows issuing digital passports of farmers' produce. In this video, we call them certificates. Here you see the interface of the platform with already listed product certificates, and you can filter them according to various criteria. To register on the platform, the user signs up using his email and he confirms his account. After he completes this procedure, he can re-enter the platform and view all the certificates and go through them. And this opportunity is available only for registered users. Now the farmer enters the primary data, name, address, some other information about the farm. The next step is KYC. To prove his identity, the farmer uploads two types of documents. The first one is his farmer's ID, which proves ownership rights, and the second one is cadastral map, which defines the border of his land plot and will be required to take satellite images of the farm at the later stage. Now the farmer needs to link his ID with his Ethereum wallet so that his private key can be used as a cryptographic signature to ensure the security of all the transactions on the platform. To create and later use Ethereum wallet, the user needs to have MetaMask installed, which is an extension for assessing Ethereum-enabled distributed application, and it is available in all kinds of browsers. Now the user copies his Ethereum wallet account and puts it in the field and confirms his wallet through the email. And now the wallet is linked to his account. At the later stages, the wallet can also be used for issuing digital green financial instruments such as green bonds or carbon credits to provide farmers with additional fundraising opportunities. So now you see that the wallet is linked to the user account. KYC documents of the farmer have to be approved by the manager of the platform to prevent fraud, and the manager has his own account on the platform. When the manager enters the platform, he checks and confirms the project using his own MetaMask account and cryptographic key, and this provides additional security. In case the manager's password and access to the platform are compromised, intruders will not be able to operate the platform, and all the data will be kept secure. So now that the manager has confirmed the farmer's account, the farmer can move on to the next step, which is issuance of digital passports of his produce. And to enable him to do so, we collect data on the environmental impact of each particular farm. The platform is connected via API to external services, which can automatically collect various kinds of environmental data. For example, measure soil content in soil, water pollution, etc. using IoT devices. The platform can also aggregate photos of the farm taken by the satellites on the basis of the cadastral maps which have been previously uploaded to the platform. At the later stage, these images are analyzed on the platform using AI algorithms, which allows understanding the nature of land use. The data is put in IPFS distributed database, and the hashes are stored on blockchain immutably and openly. Blockchain prevents fraud and allows all parties to have reliable information on the environmental impact of the farm. Currently, you see that all the transactions performed on blockchain are verified using Etherscan, which is an external service. And later, you see the format in which the data is kept on blockchain. So here is the information on the address. Here is the data that has been collected using IoT devices. And here is the format in which satellite images are kept. Now we move to the final step, which is issuance of passports of farmers' produce. So the user enters the platform again using his email, and he sees that he passed his KYC AML, which is why he can now move on to creating his certificate. The user manually fills in some information, for example, property name, the name of the manager, key decision maker, location of the farm, contact details. He also uploads the photo of his produce, and that is basically all that he fills in manually. The other 4 tabs are filled in automatically, and they show four indices reflecting the nature of land use. They are calculated by the platform on the basis of the satellite data that has been uploaded and analyzed on the platform using AI algorithms. After the certificate is issued, it is verified by a third-party auditor. This is required to ensure that there has been no fraud and no insider agreements between the farmer and the platform managers. But at the later stages, this step can also be automated and there will be no need for any third-party verification at all. After the approval by the auditor, the certificate is listed on the marketplace and can be viewed by any platform user.